Higher Maths 2019 Paper 2 Question 15. A circle has center 8, 12. The point P 513 lies on the circle as shown. Find the equation of the tangent at P for 3 marks. Part A. For 3 marks you're finding the equation of the tangent. The gradient of the radius CP is this, the point which is further along, which is the center, is going to be your x2, y2, and the coordinates of P are going to be x1, y1. So the gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is 12 minus 13 over 8 minus 5. That just gives you minus 1 over 3. So this is a perpendicular. The gradient of the tangent is perpendicular to the gradient of the radius. So that is going to be, you're going to use this rule, m1, m2 is equal to minus 1 when perpendicular. So you know that this gradient is minus 1 over 3 times m2 is equal to minus 1, which means that the gradient of the tangent is, you take that to this side, so minus 1 times minus 3. So the gradient of the tangent is 3. You've already got the point on the circumference, which is the point 513. That is your AB. So now you're using the line equation, y minus b is equal to m x minus a. Y minus 13 is equal to 3 times x minus 5. Y minus 13 is equal to 3x minus 15. So y is 3x minus 15 plus 13, which means that finally the equation of the tangent is 3x minus 2. You could check it out. 5 times 3 is 15, minus 2 does give you 13, so that's fine. It does work. So that's the equation of the tangent. The tangent from P meets the circle, meets the y-axis at the point T. State the coordinates of T. B part 1. State the coordinates of T. Okay, so T is here. T at T x is equal to 0. So we put that in there. So what is y when x is 0? Y is 3 times 0 minus 2. So the y coordinate when x is 0 is minus 2. So that means that T has coordinates 0, minus 2. That is for 1 mark. The final part, this 1, 1, this is for 3 marks. Find the equation of the circle that passes through the points CPT. Passes through the points CPT. Okay, so that's the points CPT. Just draw them here. CPT. So this is C here. C is the center of the circle, which is 8, 12. T is the point 0, minus 2, and P is the point 5, 13. So you would be drawing a circle here around this. This is the circle roughly. So what you basically have here is, this is the diameter of the circle there. So you got these points on the circumference either side of the diameter. So that means that this angle here is 90 degrees. So you need to state that. So angle CPT is 90 degrees. The center of the circle would be the midpoint of this diameter. Center at center, CNTRE, not ER. Center at mid CT. So the center is going to be 8 plus 0 over 2 and 12 minus 2 over 2. That means the center is 4, 5. So center is at 4, 5. And the radius would be half of that diameter, or you can find the radius from this center C2 to 812. So the radius squared would be, using Pythagoras, using the y coordinates, y2 minus y1 all squared, x2 minus x1 all squared. That's going to be 8 minus 4 all squared plus 12 minus 5 all squared. So the radius squared is going to be 16 plus 49, which gives you 65. So the equation of this circle, this is your center is this is your AB. So in this form, x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared is equal to r squared. So the equation of the circle would be x minus 4 all squared plus y minus 5 all squared is equal to 65. That's the equation of the circle. And this is for 3 marks.